Welcome to day 2 of healthy snacks and treats. Today we are making hummus, smooth, creamy, delicious hummus. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own hummus that is fresh, delicious, and not filled with any preservatives. So let's get started. You will begin with 1 can of garbanzo beans. You'll put this in a sauce pot with enough water to cover, and then, this is very important, you will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This will simmer away for 20 minutes, and then you will drain this. What will happen is the skin on the garbanzo beans will become almost fallen off, very soft, mushy. That's exactly what you want. Next, you're going to want to squeeze about 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. You can use bottled. I do prefer fresh, but bottled works too. The next step is you want to put your lemon juice, and for 1/4 cup, this took 2 lemons. So it'll just depend how juicy your lemons are. And then I take 3 fresh garlic cloves. This is really important. You do this first. You're going to hit this on high. What this does is mellow the garlic out. This will make your dip just smooth, delicious, not too garlicky, just a wonderful taste. Okay, we're going to just let that mellow out for a few minutes. You want to bring your chickpeas over that have been strained. You want to get a glass with some ice water. Put the ice cubes in. And then you want 1/2 cup of tahini. I really like the organic Trader Joe's. The flavor is superior. You're also going to need a tablespoon because you're going to end up putting ice water into the blender. Okay, it's time for us to add our tahini. You're going to just dump this into the blender. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons to start. That still looks a little bit. I'm just going to go in with another 1/2 tablespoon. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons to start. That still looks a little bit. I'm just going to go in with another 1/2 tablespoon. Ingredient. About 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. And this is what we have. Beautiful, creamy, smooth consistency. Okay, this is what she looks like. I am actually going to just sprinkle a little bit of paprika on. And the recipe called for paprika or sumac, and I found sumac in my spice drawer, so I figure I'm not sure what else I would use this for, so I'm just sprinkling that. If you know what else I could use sumac for, please drop it in the comments. But this is our beauty. Now it's time to give this a little taste test. I am going to drizzle it with a little bit of high quality olive oil. Then I'm going to go in with a pita chip. This is also really good with cucumber slices. It's also really, really good with warmed whole wheat pitas. I also like it with red peppers. Delicious. It's creamy, it's smooth. It's light. You can taste the chickpeas coming through. It's not too garlicky. I love the paprika and the sumac in there. It's just really, really good. I hope you'll give this a try. You can see how yummy it looks. Thanks for watching.